My name's Tyler Miranda. I've been in recovery for just over 2 years now. I can remember the first drug I did. I smoked weed, and both my parents smoked, and they were open about it. They never hid it. They smoked around me pretty much all the time, and so the first time it was marijuana, and then alcohol and tobacco and sometimes we would skip the first class or miss the bus on purpose. I used to take the city bus to school. Sometimes we would miss the bus on purpose and then smoke and then go back to school late. I was just because my friends were doing it, and that's what we did. Biggest thing that made me aware of how different of a person I was being able to deal with hard situations. And obviously you can't control feelings. Like, we all get sad, we all get upset, but being able to control the emotion, like feeling sad, but being able to control the behavior after the fact was a big thing for me.